In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble Vako 2004 clutch system. All you need are these parts you see here. This is the head rail 2004. You need the drive rod, cut 2.5 inches shorter than you finished with. The head rail is cut 1/2 inch shorter. You need the drums, the clutch, the end cap, and the big chain. The first thing to do is to attach the drive rod to the control unit. Make sure that the groove here aligns with this screw. It does two things for you. First, it helps set the screw easily, and then it fixes your start position for the easy lock core drums. So this screw has to align with this screw here. It may not come right away like that, but you can easily adjust that. You need to insert the chain. And cup just clicks in, and now it's inside. So roll it over until it's aligned. All right. So now next step is to insert the easy lock drums into the truck. Make sure when you do this that you have your locking tab in open position, not like this, like that. And then slide the drive rod in. It's easy task because the drums are locked. And then fix the control unit by screwing it, and then close the entire truck with the end cap. Now that the drums are still open, you can shift them to whatever position you like to, and then simply locking them in by pressing the lock tab, just like so. Now your entire truck is ready to use.